Samurai fans was coming to Japan from Lebanon, and I teach them samurai sword action briefly. Today's movie, I'll show you how it went. They like Japanese culture, comics, and anime. How is Japan?
Oh, it's so much fun.
Great?
Yeah. 2 days we have zero sleep. We all always going around.
I see.
Yeah. Today we went to the Imperial Palace and we went to Kaminari.
Kaminari-mon? Asakusa.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Like, you have to come up with an evil name like Kuder. Like, you have to come like Kuder. Stop.
It's a little too close, too close.
Yeah, you have to. It's not the first two. Shire.
Yeah, great. And great, great, great. Okay, over the top. How is it?